So I just checked it in J44 Lifestyle Hotel from Jesolo, and I want to say it's amazing, 5 stars. So it's a really 5 stars. Look here. And to turn the camera now doesn't work. Yeah. So. Music in, everything is look here, the temperature room, inclusive the key, it's exactly the same. Wow, so this hotel, I recommend you guys to, we have here tea maker, coffee, something for the tea. Here it's the Tresor, and here we have the refrigerated. It's really classy. We have sleepers. Look here, guys. So I recommend. Now I'll go in all hotels. I'll write about them and make a small video like this to tell you everything what we have here. So what you have when you come here, 5-star hotels, J44 Lido, Jesolo. And now it's the best view from here. This is the 9th store, and if you can see, you have here the sea. So here the city, everything, city center. The sea is actually very warm. It's very nice. Talk to you later. Bye.